Good evening, respected judges and all my dear friends. My name is Vaibhavi Sinha, captain of Shark Tank Team 3, and my teammates are Mahi Agrawal, Muskan Parmar, Arnav Parmar, Molly Pardhi, Vishwa Contractor, and Vidhi Kapadia. Now we move on to our presentation about our company, Flora B. This is our this is our company's poster. Flora B. Our company focuses on incense sticks. Our incense is harmless and produces less irritating smokes. They are completely nature, natural and easily biodegradable, as they are made from the temple offering, which are left rotting near the site's backgrounds or disposed of into rivers polluting the environment. Thus, we aim to reduce disposal of such wastes in water, making the environment clear. Special part of our company is all the work is being done by women who were earlier marginalized and hardly had an opportunity to work and earn. It is a it's a मैम क्लियरली नहीं आ रहा.
It's a vicious cycle of earth.
We provide good environment with safety and they can earn goodwill now. Now their children can go to good school and they can have a better life.
Problems and needs of our company, where the people teach women who never work, environment friendly agarbatti, women empowerment.
आम्ही कॅफे डिसाइड केलंय आमचं. तुझी कशी दिली व्हेरी गुड.
Now I hand over my mic to Vishwa for business plan.
Vaibhavi, you can continue the business plan.
So this is our business plan. There is a great potential in incense stick manufacturing business as its demand is always high and goes considerably higher. During celebrations or festivals, it is used in more than our country, 90% country. Incense stick or agarbatti business is quite lucrative also. With some small machinery and equipment, one can begin this manufacturing business. It is a customary item which is required in every family and holy places of spiritual importance. The business requires low-grade technology. The extent of incense stick making business rules relies on individual capacity and manufacturing unit production capacity. Thank you. I am giving mic to Vishwa.
Operations and processes of our company. First, we collect temple waste from the temples and brought to our factory. Second, factories are segregated by hand and plastic, papers, idols are weeded out of it. Third, our organic biocolumn is sprayed on the flowers to offset the chemical residue. Fourth, flowers are then carefully washed and watered. It is stored and used in vermicomposting. Fifth, petals of each flower are broken and sun dried. Next process is incense. Dried petals are powdered and mixed with natural plant essence and our secret sauces to make a dough. The dough is hand rolled to make raw incense stick and cones and dried. Third, the dried incense stick and cones are then dipped in essential oil. Fourth, they are then packed into full incense boxes with love and care. Part 2, vermicompost. The given part of the flowers and leaves are mixed with cow dung, 17 different elements, and our secret sources. Earthworms are added to eat up the waste and make vermicompost. Part 3, flora found. Dried petals are molded with natural fungi to make flora found. Thank you. Now I hand my mic to Vishwa.
So I'm Vishwa and I am marketing manager of our company. So starting off with competitor analysis. So as there are many our competitors, some of them are Cycle Agarbatti, Z Black Agarbatti and Hem Agarbatti. So they sell their agarbattis starting from 120 to 240 rupees. And our market rate is 60 rupees per 100 gram and rupees 100 for 200 grams. Next slide, please. So, what do we provide? Our company provides the jobs to the unemployed women,
Hello,
saving
everyone.
Earth. We
My
are
name is Sakshi Patel. I am.
Haru Anje. You bullying going?
we save Earth by getting the flowers from the rivers, and then we convert it into incense sticks, and then we
Saving
how
Earth,
it how it is going to help in future to us. At this rate, if we don't stop polluting water bodies and roadsides, Earth might be in danger. So this is how we help our Earth. Next slide. So starting off with that we make incense sticks, and they are 100% natural and organic, and they are made up of flowers which people offer to God, and we collect them and then we make them into incense sticks. The rate of one packet of incense sticks is 100 rupees for 200 grams and 60 rupees for 100 grams. We have many different fragrances in it. We have our YouTube channel named Flora Bee, and also have our account on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Our ID is Flora Bee Agarbatti. For the same, if you have any queries or you want to give your response to our company, then you can share it on our social media accounts on our email ID florab.21@gmail.com. We have a special offer for the first 100 customers from each of the city. Isn't it amazing? The first 100 customers will get 100 grams of incense sticks for free. If you like our product, please share it with your friends and family. Now I will hand over the mic to the Mahi.
this is our poster of our company. Now I would like to show an advertisement of our company.
Flora Bee Agarbatti. Bhakti Milai Shakti, Flora Bee Agarbatti. The main custom of burning essence is to Bhakti Milai Shakti, Flora Bee Agarbatti. The main custom of burning essence is to offering God, and it is as old as civilization itself. Prayer does not have any costume or a language. Flora Bee has all along nurtured this custom and delicately developed it into a full blossomed art of blending perfumery in the form of agarbattis. We have made these agarbattis with the waste flowers that are used in temples and then thrown in the river. And these flowers pollutes the river. So we are reusing these flowers. Adding fragrance in your life. Thank you.
I am Mahi and I am going to explain cost structure. Our investment is rupees 1,50,000 to 2 lakh. Production quantity is 2000 kg per month. Manufacturing cost is rupees 2,40,000. Cost price is 100 rupees per kg. Estimated one. Selling price is rupees 200 per kg. Turnover is 4 lakh rupees per month and gross profit is rupees 1,60,000 per month. So I would like to thank you. So here I end my presentation.
Thank you.